Welcome. Today I will show you how you can enable your pass-through on the new Meta Quest 3. Now, with that being said, there's several different ways you can go about it. So we have number one right over here, enter pass-through. Not sure if this is visible, but in any case, that's the first way. Then the second way would be to do it through the quick settings, and you have a big button right here to enable pass-through. And a third option is to basically hit the side of your headset 2 times, I believe. So let's see, basically where your Type-C charging port is. Yep, and you can see it enables. So those are the 3 different ways that I know how to enter pass-through mode. There's also actually another one, so just to demonstrate this, I get my hand controls. We can do this through hand tracking, and we have pass-through right over here. And again, same thing. So, anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.